डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज जो आप लोगों का एआई ने पेपर बना के दिया बायोलॉजी के लिए, हम लोग उसको ज़रा चेक देखते हैं और पढ़ते हैं उसके अंदर क्या लिखा गया। तो पहले आप लोगों के क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में 17 नंबर के एमसीक्यूज और क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में 12 शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन दिए जाएंगे, जिसमें आप लोगों ने 8 करने हैं। तो एमसीक्यूज की कुछ ये पेयरिंग स्कीम लिखी गई है, हर चैप्टर में से कितने कितने एमसीक्यूज आने हैं। तो शुरू करते हैं एमसीक्यूज वाला पोर्शन पहले। अकॉर्डिंग टू 5 किंगडम क्लासिफिकेशन सिस्टम बाय रॉबर्ट विटकर, which kingdom exclusively contains prokaryotic organism? To kingdom Monera, who proposed the three domain system of classification separating prokaryotes into archaea and bacteria? To Carl Woese. आगे, during bacterial sporulation, what happens to the DNA of the vegetative cell? So it replicates, doubles, and one copy is incorporated into spore. What type of membrane transport utilizes, carries proteins, and requires the expenditure of ATP to move molecules against their concentration gradient to active transport? Which unique property of water is responsible for providing a cooling effect to plants and animals when they transpire and perspire? So, high heat of vaporization. Which of the following is a 5 carbon sugar commonly found in RNA? तो राइबोस। सातवां एमसीक्यूज कहीं पे मिस हो गया, उसको छोड़ दें, आगे चलें। आठवां, इन द फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ द सिट्रिक एसिड साइकिल एसिटाइल सीओए रिएक्ट्स विद ऑक्सा ऑक्सैलो एसीटेट टू फॉर्म citrate. आगे, हाउ डज एटीपी synthase produce ATP during the light independent reactions of photosynthesis by chemiosmosis? Which psychological physiological process provides the primary driving force for the upward movement of water and dissolved minerals from roots to leaves in tall trees? To transpiration pull. The pressure flow hypothesis is the most widely accepted mechanism explaining the translocation of which substance? तो sucrose through phloem. खुराक phloem के थ्रू ही ट्रांसपोर्ट होती है। What is the primary function of the pyloric sphincter in the human digestive system? To regulate the release of acidic chyme into duodenum. तो duodenum आगे, in the human respiratory system the vocal cords are stretched across which structure? तो larynx. In a normal human cardiac cycle, how long does complete relaxation phase diastole last? To 0.4 seconds. Which segment or interval of an ECG, if prolonged, might indicate a first degree heart block? To PR segment. Which protein is the primary component of the thick filaments found in skeletal myofibrils? To myosin. Within the ultrastructure of skeletal muscle, the specialized smooth endoplasmic reticulum that stores and releases calcium ions is called sarcoplasmic reticulum. आगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 के अंदर 12 में से 8 करने होंगे हम लोगों ने। तो ये कुछ स्कीम लिखी हुई है, हर चैप्टर में से कितने कितने शॉर्ट आएंगे। शुरू करते हैं। डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन द 5 किंगडम्स सिस्टम बाय विटकर एंड द 3 डोमेन system by with Robert Whittaker's 5 system in 1969 categorized all life into Monera, prokaryotes, protista, fungi, plantae, and animalia based on a cellular organization and modes of nutrition. In contrast, Carl Woese 3-domain system 1990 separated prokaryotes into 2 distinct domains, archaea and bacteria, based on differences in 16 rRNA sequences, placing all eukaryotes into single third domain eukarya. What is phylogeny and how is it typically represented visually? Phylogeny is the evolutionary historic and relationship among a group of organisms. It is visually represented by a phylogenetic tree or evolutionary tree, a branching diagram that shows inferred evolutionary relationships based upon similarities and differences in their physical or genetic characteristics, tracing back to a common ancestors. Define active transport and give one biological example of a carrier protein involved in it. Active transport is the movement of substance across a plasma membrane from an area of lower concentration to an area of higher concentration against the gradient, which requires the expenditure of energy, ATP. A primary example of sodium-potassium pump in nerve cells. Describe the 9+2 structure found in eukaryotic cilia and flagella. The core of eukaryotic cilia and flagella is called axoneme. It exhibits a 9+2 structural organization, meaning it consists of a central pair of single microtubules surrounded by an outer ring of nine doublet microtubules bridged by nine protein arms. What are three main sequential steps of cell signaling? The three steps are signal reception. A ligand binds to a specific receptor. Signal transduction. The receptor changes shape, triggering an intracellular cascade often via second messengers and cellular response, altered metabolism, gene expression, or shape. Explain how the quotient tension theory accounts for the ascent of sap in plants. Evaporation of water from leaves transpiration creates a negative pressure tension in the xylem because water molecules are polar and exhibit high cohesion sticking to each other and addition sticking to xylem walls thin. This tension pulls a continuous unbroken column of water up from roots to leaves against gravity. How would sugar transport be affected if sucrose were not actively loaded into phloem? If sucrose were not actively loaded into phloem sieve tubes at the source, the osmotic potential inside the phloem would not drop. Consequently, water from the adjacent xylem would not enter the phloem via osmosis. Hydrostatic pressure would not build up and the pressure flow mechanism would cease. Differentiate between guttation and transpiration. Transpiration is the loss of water in the form of vapors through stomata or cuticle, usually occurring during the day. Guttation is the exudation of drops of liquid water from margins or tips of leaves through specialized pores called hydatodes, usually occurring at night or early morning when roots pressure is high. What is the role of potassium ions K plus play in the opening of stomata during the day? Guard cells actively pump in potassium ions K plus. This influx lowers the water potential inside the guard cells, causing water to enter them via osmosis. The guard cells become turgid, bow outward due to their thicker inner walls and cause the stomatal pore to open. Right, the structure of layers which separate the heart from other parts of the body. The heart is enclosed by a double-walled sac called pericardium. It consists of a tough outer fibrous pericardium and inner serous pericardium, parietal and visceral layers. The space between serous layers is the pericardial cavity filled with lubricating pericardial fluid. What is the SA node? Give its primary function. The SA synotrial node is a specialized cluster of cardiac muscle cells located in the upper होना है यहाँ पे, ठीक है, upper wall of the right atrium. It functions as natural pacemaker of the heart. It initiates each heartbeat by generating electrical impulses that spread through the atria. Define the term cardiac cycle and list its major temporal events. The cardiac cycle refers to the sequence of mechanical and electrical events from the beginning of one heartbeat to the beginning of the next. It includes atrial systole 0.1 second, ventricle systole 0.3 second, and three joint डायस्टोल कंप्लीट रिलैक्सेशन 0.4 सेकंड. तो यहाँ पे हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 और 2 खत्म हो जाता है. अब हम लोग चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 और 4 की. सवाल नंबर 3 और 4 की तरफ चलते हैं. स्कीम आप लोगों के सामने लिखी गई है, आप लोग खुद ही पढ़ लेंगे क्योंकि बड़ी क्लास वालों को मैं ज्यादा स्कीम नहीं बताता होता, बस दिखा देता हूँ, खुद ही पढ़ लेते होते हैं. शुरू करते हैं. तो हाउ डज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ए बैक्टीरियल फ्लैजिलम डिफर्स फ्रॉम अ यूकैरियोटिक फ्लैजिलम? तो बैक्टीरियल फ्लैजिलम नॉट अ मेम्ब्रेन बाउंडेड built from repeating units of the protein. Flagellum does not contain microtubules triplets. Eukaryotic flagellum enclosed by a plasma membrane contains a complex 9+2 structure. Two central microtubules surrounded by an outer ring of a 9 doublet microtubules. What are mesosomes? Write their main functions. Mesosomes are internal folded invagination of the plasma membrane found in prokaryotic cells. They assist in DNA replication, direct cell division, and act as the primary site for the respiratory enzyme needed for cellular respiration. What are coenzymes? Give two example. A coenzyme is a non-protein complex organic molecule that is closely attached to an enzyme. It is essential for the enzyme functioning, often acting to transport chemical groups from one enzyme to another. For example, NAD, nicotinamide, adenine dinucleotide, and FAD. आगे irreversible inhibitors or reversible inhibitors. So from strong covalent bonds with enzymes active site, permanently altering its structure and permanently destroying enzyme activity. From weak linkages with the enzyme, their inhibitory Their inhibitory effect can be neutralized by increasing the substance concentration or actively removing the inhibitor. What is hydrolase? Give three examples. Hydrolase are a class of enzymes that catalyze the breakdown of complex molecules into simpler fragments by adding water molecule. Hydrolase, for example, proteases break down proteins, lipases एंड एमाइलेजेस, ठीक है। और ये सारा ब्रैकेट वाला भी याद कर लें, एमसीक्यूज के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। चीफ सेल्स क्या होते हैं? जाइमोजन सेल जिनको कहते हैं, secrete pepsinogen, the inactive precursor of the protein digesting enzyme pepsin, oxinic oxyntic cells जिसको पेरिटल सेल्स कहते हैं, secrete hydrochloric acid providing the highly acidic एक medium pH 2 to 3 necessary to convert inactive pepsinogen into active pepsin. Why doesn't food go into the windpipe when we swallow? During swallowing, the larynx moves upward. This upward movement causes flap of cartilage called epiglottis to tilt backward and cover the glottis, the opening of the windpipe trachea. This mechanical seal prevents food and liquid from entering the respiratory tract. Differentiate between chyme and chyle. So chyme, the thick acidic semi-fluid mass of partially digested food that leaves the stomach and enters the duodenum. Chyle क्या होता है? A milky fluid composed of lymph and emulsified fat droplets, chylomicrons, absorbed by specialized lymphatic capillaries lacteal in the villi of the small intestine. आगे differentiate between A bands and I bands in the skeletal muscles. तो A bands क्या होते हैं? The dark microscopic bands containing overlapping thick and thin filaments. Their length remains constant during the contraction. The light microscopic bands containing only thin filaments. They are bisected by a Z line and a narrow during muscle contraction. आगे a highly specialized body tissue capable of coordinated contraction and relaxation to produce movement. The individual elongated cylindrical cells that bundles together to make up skeletal muscle tissue. Each is multinucleated and striated. आगे skeletal muscle, regular stripped appearance, elongated cylindrical cell shape, nucleated, many per cell under voluntary conscious control attached to skeleton, unstripped appearance, spindle cell shape, uninucleated, one per cell under involuntary control, line, hollow, internal organs. Briefly describe the sliding filament model of muscle contraction. This model explains the muscle contraction. It states that a muscle contracts when the thin microfilaments slide past the thick microfilament myosin, so they overlap to a much greater degree. This sliding pulls the Z lines closer together, shortening the sarcomere without changing filament length. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 आ गया। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 के अंदर हम लोगों ने 9 में से 6 करने होते हैं, इस बात का ख्याल रखिएगा। स्ट्रक्चर ग्लूकोज का जो अल्फा डी ग्लूकोज और बीटा डी ग्लूकोज, तो बस इसके अंदर थोड़ी सी ही चेंजिंग होती है, ठीक है। द हाइड्रोजाइल OH ग्रुप 1 ऑन कार्बन 1 इज डायरेक्टेड टू बिलो प्लेन ऑन द रिंग, और बीटा के अंदर क्या होता है? हाइड्रोजाइल OH ग्रुप 1 कार्बन 1 इज डायरेक्टेड अबव द प्लेन, ठीक है। इसके अंदर बिलो और इसके अंदर अबव, बस इतना सा ही फर्क है, कोई खास नहीं है। यानी कि ये वाले OH जो है तो दोनों नीचे लगे होते हैं, इसके अंदर एक नीचे और एक ऊपर। Phospholipids, what is their role? Phospholipids are a complex lipids derived from phosphatidic acid. They consist of a glycerol backbone, two hydrophobic fatty acid tails, and a hydrophilic head containing a phosphate group and nitrogenous base. Role क्या होता है? They are primary structural components in making cellular plasma membranes, organizing into a stable lipid bilayer. What are prostaglandins? Right, 3 function. तो prostaglandins के क्या function है? Act as local chemical messengers, stimulate smooth muscles to contract, relax, involved in inflammatory response infection. आगे pyruvic acid प्लस इक्वेशन बतानी है अल्कोहलिक और लैक्टिक एसिड की फर्मेंटेशन के लिए। तो उसके बाद NaDH के साथ मिलके एथेनॉल और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और NAD+ बन जाता है, और पायरुविक एसिड के साथ NaDH मिलके लैक्टिक एसिड और NAD+ बना देता है। डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन फोटोसिंथेसिस एंड सेलुलर रेस्पिरेशन एनर्जी स्टोरिंग anabolic process occurring in chloroplast consume CO2 and H2O, capture solar energy and synthesize glucose while releasing O2. Energy releasing catabolic process occurring in the cytoplasm and mitochondria consumes O2 to break down glucose, releasing usable chemical energy ATP alongside CO2 and H2O. Compensation point, when does it occur? The compensation point is the specific environmental light intensity at which the rate of photosynthesis perfectly matches at the rate of cellular respiration occurrence क्या है typically occurs at dawn and dusk. At this point all CO2 produced by respiration is used in photosynthesis and all O2 produced by photosynthesis is used in respiration. Zero net gas exchange. आगे define pleural cavity. How is it formed? So is the narrow fluid filled space situated between two pleural membrane surrounding each lung. Formation इसकी किस तरह होती है? It is formed by the tight opposition of the inner visceral pleura attached to the lung and the outer partial pleura. It secretes fluid to reduce friction during lung expansion. Give the role of diaphragm in breathing. So diaphragm is a thick dome-shaped sheet in skeletal muscle separating the thoracic and abdominal cavities, contracts and flattens downward, increasing chest cavity volume and pulling air into the lungs. Explanation: relax and curves upward to its dome shape, decreasing chest volume and focusing air out. Myoglobin क्या है? Game function. Myoglobin is a specialized iron-containing oxygen binding pigment protein located strictly within the cytoplasm of skeletal and cardiac muscle fibers. Its primary function is to store oxygen locally within the muscle tissue and rapidly release it during periods of high metabolic demand such as intense exercise, ensuring muscles continue aerobic without immediate reliance on blood supply. तो ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 और 4 भी खत्म हो गया है, लेकिन मैं एक बात आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 और 4 जो है ये मेन बॉडी होती है पेपर की, इसीलिए मैंने जरा इसके ज्यादा प्रिडिक्ट कराएं। एक और भी बनाया, मैं पढ़ूंगा नहीं, मैं बस आपको दिखाता जाता हूँ, स्क्रीनशॉट्स लेते जाएं। ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 के पहले 4 पार्ट, आगे आ जाते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 के ही अगले 4 पार्ट्स ये लिखे हुए हैं, ठीक है, क्योंकि ये फर्स्ट टाइम सेकंड टाइम तो थोड़ा सा सिलेबस ज्यादा, तो ज्यादा ही आपको आना चाहिए। ये आगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 हमारे पास शुरू हो जाता है। ये थे 8 हमारे पूरे हो गए, ठीक है। ये वाले क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 के हैं 3 पार्ट और ये अगले 3 पार्ट। स्क्रीनशॉट्स ले लीजिएगा इनके और ये खुद ही पढ़ लीजिएगा। लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन पढ़ना शुरू करते हैं। लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन लिखे बस सरसरी निगाह सही है। आप लोगों ने जहां से भी कॉलेज बायोलॉजी वगैरह जहां से याद किए हुए हैं आप वहीं से याद करें, बस क्वेश्चंस का आइडिया लें। डिस्क्राइब द साइलेंट फीचर्स ऑफ किंगडम फंजाई एंड इट्स मेजर ग्रुप्स, ठीक है। मेजर ग्रुप जैसे जाइगोमाइकोटा, एस्कोमाइकोटा और बेसिडियोमाइकोटा। और इसी तरह आगे एक्सप्लेन द कंपोजिशन एंड फंक्शन ऑफ ह्यूमन लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम्स। आगे डिस्क्राइब द स्ट्रक्चर एंड कंपोजिशन ऑफ द प्लांट सेल वॉल। इसके अंदर लिग्निन वगैरह, मिडल लेयर, प्रोटोप्लास्ट, प्राइमरी वॉल, ठीक है, सारा कुछ जिक्र करना है। डिस्क्राइब द प्रोसेस ऑफ डाइजेशन इन द ह्यूमन स्टमक। आगे डिस्क्राइब द लाइट डिपेंडेंट रिएक्शंस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस, केमियोस्मोसिस, ठीक है, सारा एक्सप्लेन करना है। ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन ह्यूमन ब्लड। इसी तरह डिस्क्राइब द जनरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ डोमेन बैक्टीरिया। एक्सप्लेन द स्लाइडिंग फिलामेंट मॉडल ऑफ मसल कॉन्ट्रैक्शन। Describe the significance of the sequence of amino acid sickle cell anemia. Explain the stomatal movement via the influx of K plus ion hypothesis. तो आगे बस यही था हमारे पास, ठीक है। तो ये आप लोगों ने बस खुद ही अब तैयार करना है। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। इसके अलग शायद कोई वीडियो आ जाए, ठीक है। बहरहाल आप क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं कमेंट्स में।